Welcome to ChemDoodle Shorts. I'm Mary, your ChemDoodle Pro. Let's learn about hydrocarbon functional groups. In organic chemistry, a functional group is a group of atoms in a molecule that is bonded in a particular arrangement, imparting distinctive physical and chemical properties. Functional groups influence a molecule's nomenclature and direct a molecule's chemical reactions. Organic chemistry is about the study of molecules with carbon, so let's begin with hydrocarbons, molecules made up of only hydrogen and carbon. Alkanes consist of carbon and hydrogen atoms connected by single bonds. As we learn about various functional groups, note that the R groups represent a hydrocarbon or hydrogen, and are not necessarily the same within a molecule. Alkanes are often drawn in bond line notation where carbon atoms are represented by the ends or vertices of lines. Hydrogen atoms are not explicitly shown, but rather assumed. A single line represents a single bond. Propane is an alkane with 3 carbon atoms. Note the ending "ane" to indicate an alkane. Next are alkenes. Alkenes are hydrocarbons with a double bond between 2 carbon atoms. The double bond is shown with a double line. Propene is an alkene with a double bond at the end of the 3 carbon chain. Note the ending "ene" to denote an alkene. Third are alkynes. Alkynes have a triple bond between 2 carbon atoms, represented by a triple line. Propane is an alkyne with a triple bond at one end of the 3 carbon backbone. Note the ending "-ine" to indicate an alkyne. Last, an arene is an aromatic hydrocarbon. The carbon atoms form a ring, and there are alternating single and double bonds between the carbon atoms. The most common arene you will likely encounter is benzene, which has 6 carbons. So the formula can also be written as an R group attached to C6H5, which is also called a phenyl group. Here, pH stands for phenyl. As such, when this functional group is a substituent in a molecule, it is referred to as a phenyl group. When an arene is the base of a molecule, then benzene is included in the name. As you've seen, with just 2 types of atoms, carbon and hydrogen, we can have various functional groups, such as alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and arenes. Knowing these functional groups will help you understand the naming of molecules and the characteristic chemical reactions in which they are involved. Thanks for watching ChemDoodle Shorts.